What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this new set of earbuds, one of the most favorite set of earbuds that I have here in this Hans Tech Talk, in my HTT studio. And yeah, this is from Gravastar, this is Sirius P5. Well, this is a Sirius P5 combo. This one comes with one set of earbuds and 3 different protective cases. There is a Defense Mecha series protective case and a Defense Armor series protective case along with true wireless earbuds. Well, without wasting any more time, let's unwrap this Sirius P5. But before that, I really like this packaging. It says be cool, play it, and yeah, there are a lot of designs here and there. At the back they have written the specifications clearly. Model Sirius P5, Bluetooth 5.2. This one can transmit at least 10 meters, 12mm dynamic drivers, ENC noise cancellation, and each set of earbuds comes with a 45 mAh battery. The charging case comes with a 500 mAh battery. Battery life is really pretty long, 8 hours without the charging case, and the charging case offers additional 32 hours, so altogether that's around 40 hours. Charging time they have written 2 hours, but actually I have managed to get these things fully charged within 112 minutes. Wow, really, the packaging is super premium, super cool. After opening the top lid, wow, there is all the things. Well, inside the box, the first thing you will notice is a lot of things. There are 3 protective cases and the set of earbuds. Oh my gosh, is there any battery here? This one is really so very light. The protective case along with the earbuds. These tiny little earbuds inside the charging case looks really nice, so very unique and looks pretty awesome. Let's put the earbuds aside and let's check the protective cases. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. This one is totally built with metal and very sturdy. This one is the Defense Armor protective case. There are 2 other. Let's check those too. This is Defense Crystal protective case. This one is totally transparent, see-through, and this protective case is also made with premium quality polycarbonate. Have you noticed that all of the protective cases actually comes with spring-loaded mechanism, and it's very easy to open the top lid of these protective cases. Here comes the final one. This one is actually the most favorite protective case of mine, Defense Mecha series, and this one really looks amazing. This one is actually built with a pretty different design language, and as this one comes with 2-tone colors with red accent, this one is really so very different and unique. Well, underneath the earbuds and the protective cases, there is another small box, and let's see what things we have got inside this box. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Wow, Gravastar have provided a very nice necklace inside the box. Yeah, we can use this necklace with one of the protective cases to hang the earbuds on our neck. Yeah, inside the box they have also provided some mug coaster. We can use these on our table or desk to put our glass, cup or mugs. These are really nicely designed coasters and I'm definitely gonna use these on my desk. Okay, finally there is a user manual of Sirius P5 included inside the box, and inside this user manual there are a lot of illustrations. Gravastar have described everything clearly, how to use this set of earbuds and everything, so yeah, you don't have to worry about how to use this product. Well, as I mentioned earlier, there is a necklace included inside the box, and we can use the necklace along with this Defense Crystal series protective case to put the earbuds around our neck and carry it around without worrying about losing it. Okay, before we talk about the build quality and sound quality of this Gravastar Sirius P5, let's check how to put this Gravastar P5 inside all these protective cases. Actually, there is a screw included with this Gravastar P5. At the bottom of the charging case. Just unscrew that screw, put the Gravastar P5 inside any protective case that you wanna use and put the screw back and tighten it. Well, we are good to go. Here is our Gravastar P5 inside Defense Armor case. It's the same process for all the protective cases. Just put the charging case inside this protective case and tighten the screw. We are good to go. Here comes the final protective case. This one is the Defense Crystal protective case, and yeah, As the name says, this one is crystal clear, transparent. This one also gives this Sirius P5 a very different outlook. Well, as we have already finished checking all the protective cases, now let's check this charging case. On the right side, Gravastar have printed the number 5 and the model Sirius. In front, they have printed the website address www.gravastar.com, Sirius P5, be cool, play it. And on the right side, there is a huge RGB light. And we can actually change the color of the light. This is truly RGB. At the bottom, there is a button, and we can use that button to change the color of this light. At the bottom, you will also notice that there is a USB-C port. This Gravastar Sirius P5 earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, and this USB-C port is the only way to charge these Gravastar Sirius P5 earbuds. The charging case itself is built with premium materials and in hand feels pretty nice. This one definitely has a very nice, a very unique appearance. For appearance, outlook and design, I would give this one 15 out of 10, but I cannot give more than 10. So this one is gonna get 10 out of 10 for appearance, outlook and design language. Also, as Gravastar have used premium quality polycarbonate, this charging case will also get 10 out of 10 for build quality. Finally, here comes the earbuds. These earbuds are actually open-ear design. I mean, there is no silicone tips on top of these. So these are not gonna provide active noise cancellation, but these comes with ENC, environmental noise cancellation, which actually works pretty fine. And yeah, we are gonna talk about that soon. Design language of this set of earbuds are really a bit different than many other, and there are two lights which actually indicates the battery status of these earbuds. What made me so surprised is each of these earbuds weighs 4.6 grams each, and the charging case weighs only 23.1 grams. As all the protective cases comes with spring-loaded top lid, it's also very easy to open the top lid, and when it's closed, it's pretty safe and secure. Well, this Gravastar Sirius P5 comes with a Qualcomm 3046 chipset and supports aptX, which is definitely a great thing because many other earbuds within this price segment don't support aptX. This one also supports SBC and AAC. That means we are good to go with any Apple devices and any Android devices. Inside these earbuds, there are fairly large 12mm dynamic drivers, and frequency response range is also very wide, 20 Hz to 20 kHz. There is a gaming mode for low latency, and while using gaming mode, it goes down to 48 millisecond low latency. But yeah, that actually drains the battery a bit faster than usual. Well, without wasting any more time, let's pair these Sirius P5 with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's very easy to pair this set of earbuds with any smartphones. It doesn't matter whether it's an Android smartphone or an iPhone, yeah, it's already connected. In ear, this one offers a very good comfort, and inside my ear groove, I have never felt any type of irritation or uncomfortable feelings. These Gravastar Sirius P5 offers a very comfy feelings inside my ear groove. Well, before I go through the sound quality test, the real review process, let me talk about three things. Number one, this one offers a very good environmental noise cancellation. I mean, yeah, this one doesn't have active noise cancellation, but yeah, environmental noise cancellation of this set of earbuds, Gravastar Sirius P5, is top of the line. I've tried these tiny monsters in different environments and they have performed very nice. Number two, Gravastar Sirius P5 supports multi-point connection, so we can connect this one with multiple devices at the same time. And yeah, it's very easy to switch between the devices. And the third thing is, the touch-sensitive areas of these earbuds are pretty responsive. I didn't need to look for where it is, and really simple touches works very nice, pretty fine. Finally, my time to listen to some music and test the sound quality. A lot of people said they have dynamic bass, very good treble. What about the vocal? Let's check all together. Let's listen to the same music that we always use to test our earbuds. Well, I have another iPhone 14 Pro Max and my AirPods 3 is actually connected to this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna listen to the same music side by side with this Sirius P5 and AirPods 3. Sirius P5 is inside my left ear. I'm gonna put AirPods 3 in my right ear and I'm gonna play the same music in sync in both the smartphones. So I'm gonna listen to the same music side by side. Let's see whether there is any difference or not. Yeah, it's in sync. Well, now Gravastar Sirius P5 inside my right ear and Apple AirPods 3 is in my left ear. Oh my gosh, it's so very nice. I think these are comparable to Apple AirPods Pro. Let me listen to something different. I forgot that I'm doing a review video. I was totally out of mind, I think. The sound quality is so very nice. I actually didn't believe when I have watched some other YouTubers, they have said yeah, this one actually performs good. This Gravastar Sirius P5 actually offers a very nice dynamic bass. I truly didn't believe those. I don't believe a lot of things, but after I have used these by myself, bass 10 out of 10. This one actually reproduced the sound. For example, there are different type of bass, like a bass guitar, a distorted guitar, drums, a lot of instruments, different instruments, which actually generates or produces low frequency sound, which is bass. And this Gravastar Sirius P5 has actually separated all the sounds and reproduced all the different frequencies, all the different sounds from all the different instruments with perfection. This one actually offers dynamic bass. Okay, what about treble? I have said this in many of my earbuds review videos. Yeah, there are a lot of earbuds which actually is able to create and reproduce very nice high frequency sound. But there is a thing, sometimes it feels like the treble is a bit harsh, a bit too sharp. It feels like something is cutting through the sound, but this one is a bit different than that. I cannot say this Gravastar Sirius P5 reproduced treble as good as a $500 earbuds, but among any $100 to $150 earbuds, it will be very difficult to find this type of treble. I mean, this one actually has perfectly polished the treble high frequency sound. In between the mid frequency, the vocal, they have done something good, very good, that separates the vocal, the mid tones. It doesn't feel like the vocal is lost in between high frequency and low frequency. There are a lot of earbuds within this $60 to $100 slot which actually fails to reproduce clear vocal, crystal clear, rich and warm vocal. That's what actually makes the difference. Dynamic bass, polished treble, rich, warm and crystal clear vocal. That's what Gravastar Sirius P5 has offered. I've been using this one for almost 5 days now and I have even listened carefully today to do this review video because I always want to share the truth. I always want to share my honest opinion, my honest experience with you. If you really want to get a very good set of earbuds within $100, then I think this one really offers something different, something nice and better. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please. I have dropped this set of earbuds like this at least 10 times and nothing happened. Yeah, as you have been saying, if you have loved this video, if you want to watch more videos like this, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Well, before you go, let's check whether it's damaged or not. It's totally safe inside this defense armor case. Kudos to Gravastar.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams.